To fix PayPal not showing friends and family, start by checking your account settings. Ensure you have a verified account, as this feature is only available for verified users. If your account is not verified, go through the verification process by confirming your email address and linking a bank account or credit card. Next, check your payment settings. Friends and family payments are only available for personal payments, so ensure you are not using a business account. If you are using a business account, you will need to create a personal account or use a different payment method. Now, try sending a payment to see if the friends and family option is available. If it is not, check the recipient's account. The recipient must also have a verified PayPal account and be in a country that supports friends and family payments. If you have checked all of the above and the issue persists, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Then log back into your PayPal account. This will refresh your account settings and may resolve the issue. Another possible solution is to use the PayPal mobile app. Sometimes, the friends and family option is only available on the mobile app. So try sending a payment through the app to see if the option is available. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact PayPal customer support. They will be able to assist you in resolving the issue and provide more detailed troubleshooting steps. Remember to have your account information ready when contacting customer support, as this will help them to quickly and efficiently resolve the issue. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of PayPal not showing friends and family in just a few minutes. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and verify your account to ensure you have access to all of PayPal's features.